Hi! Welcome to my channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. This channel aims to help educate and empower aspiring makeup artists and makeup enthusiasts by sharing easy makeup theories and makeup. So are you struggling how to make your bigger eye appear smaller? So I'm going to show you and help you how to do the simple tips and tricks how to make your bigger eye appear smaller. Let's begin. Okay, before you apply any eyeshadow product, especially eyeshadow powder, you always make sure that you have prep or prime your eye base. So you should have a eye primer. This one, I got this from Detail. It's Eyes From You. This is a local brand and you could check them out on Facebook or Instagram. So apply the eye primer or eye primer base on the whole eyelid. So dito ko nilalagay sa acrylic or stainless palette ang mga products from creams to liquids to powder to avoid contamination. Okay? So, avoid applying excess concealer or eyeshadow eye primer para hindi siya mag-crease. Next is you are going to use a mid-tone shade of brown na ganitong shade. And we are going to apply it with a fluffy brush. You are going to place this mid-tone all over your eyelid. When you say all over, lahat yang area na ito, you are going to apply it with this kind of shade. So, always tap the excess. Apply it all over your lid. From the lower lid, pataas, you have to blend it up to the crease. So, saan yung crease? This one. This is your crease below the socket bone ng eyes mo. This is the bone. So, ito yung crease, yung malalim. If you want to do a perfect crease, ang tip dito is, when you do the crease part, you have to look straight at the mirror. From there, doon mo magagawa yung crease. Okay? So, may times na kailangan you have to do your eye makeup or do the crease with eyes open. Then, it depends kung anong gusto mong intensity. You could add more if you want to. I'm going to choose a medium or more deeper rich brown like this shade or this shade. Avoid shimmer. Satin, pwede ang satin pero mas maganda ang matte deeper brown shade. And you will be using a pencil brush, an angled brush, or any small smudge brush. And you're going to apply the eyeshadow that I've mentioned all over your lash, lower lash. You have an option na pwede mong to make it whole or from this area halfway through lang. Okay? Apply it on the roots of your lower lash. Use a small Q-tip to blend, or if you have another small brush for your eyes, then blend mo siya dito. Apply a dark brown or black eyeliner on your entire waterline. So, when you say entire waterline, it means this lower line, waterline, and upper waterline. Lalagyan mo siya nito. So, this is a great help to have the illusion na you have a smaller eyes because ang tendency ng dark is to close your eyes. Blend and smudge. Then, for the final touch, you are going to apply a flesh tone on the brow bone area and to the inner corner. So, for this type of eye makeup, avoid eye reflective or eyeshadow reflective. Mas maganda yung matte lang. And you are going to apply your mascara and you have to fix your eyebrows. So this is the finished look. And then I'm going to do the other side of my eye. So this is the final look. I've already completed the other eye. So again, this simple trick and tips would help you to make your bigger eyes appear small. And guys, I would like to inform you also that I do one-on-one makeup tutorial lessons. You could reach me at my Facebook page, Easy Makeup Artist. I'm also accepting bridal booking. You just also search my Facebook page, Easy Makeup Artist. If you want to see more of my previous tutorials, then click here on this end screen right now and you will be directed on my previous lessons. Thank you so much for your support and for always watching my tutorials. God bless you. See you on the next one. Bye!